So you're looking to update your Realtek high definition audio driver on your PC or your laptop, but you're not aware how? Don't worry, you've come to the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you and guide you through the process of how to update your Realtek high definition audio driver on your PC or computer. It will work on Windows 10, 11 or any other PC. So without further ado, let's just begin. Okay, now to see what is the latest update on your high definition audio driver, what you want to be doing is go to Start button, do a right click, open up the device manager. Now once your device manager opens up, you want to be going to the sound, video and game controllers option. Now there will be an option called high definition audio devices, and this is your Realtek audio device option. So we're going to go to the properties. Now, once you go to the properties, you want to go to the driver. As you can see here, the driver date is 29/9/2023. So it's almost the latest one, I would say. I'm not sure if any latest one came after this, but it's pretty new, I would say. If your driver is not updated, what you want to be doing is just go to your browser, any of the browser, search with Realtek Home. Make sure you search with Realtek Home only. And once you search there, just go to the first link that says Home Realtek. After going there, once this page opens up, there will be 3 lines to the left hand side clipped up. So just click there, go to the downloads. There will be overview of communication network ICS, the computer peripheral ICS and multimedia ICS. What you want to be selecting is the computer peripheral ICS. Once you've selected this, select the subcategory. We're going to go with PC audio codecs. And once this one is selected, you need to choose subcategory one more time. We're going to select high definition audio codecs because we want the Realtek one. So just select that. And once this opens up, there will be only one option, which is 8 channels. So these are all for 8 channels only, and you don't need to worry. Just we are going to download the latest one. So just click on the first one. And once this opens up, whatever operating system you're using is absolutely fine. You can just select anything. We are going for the 64-bit Windows, so we're going to download this. And this works for Windows 11 as well. It's not mentioned here, but it will work fine for Windows 11, so don't worry about that. Just go ahead with the download. Accept to the above and click on download this file. Now it will ask you to do some security verifications, which is absolutely fine. You can just go ahead with that. And once your download begins, the file will come like this. It will download, as you can see here. Fine. Once the file is downloaded, what you want to be doing is just do a right click on the file and open it, and just click on next and install it. And once it is installed, again, come back to your Realtek high definition audio device, go to properties, go to the driver and see the driver date. It should be the latest one as soon as you just install that one. So I hope this video helped you out on how to update the Realtek high definition audio device. And if it did, please comment down below and let me know that it helped you out. And thanks for watching. I'm gonna see you guys in the next one.